and welcome back to Brooklyn Road. In this episode we have two Class 47s. One is Southwest Digital fitted, which is the green one, and the blue one, it's got a TTS sound in it. This is Bachmann 47001 in BR blue, factory weathered, with the TTS sound and an iPhone speaker fitted. So fire up. That's function 6. Function 7 brings it back down. Function 8. Speed step 3. You will go down to 2. That's 2. That is 1. Going up to 2. Speed step 3. 4. So this is Bachmann again, Class 47 D1746 in two-tone green, fitted with a Southwest Digital Look Sound 4. So let's fire up. It's got the standard speaker, so no speaker or this has the standard speaker fitted. Uncoupling. We'll put it onto speed step 1, providing I'm going back like this. So that's on 1, brakes will come off. Gain good cruise speed. 2 and 3. This is speed step 28, not the 128. Bring it back. So now we're going to do the battle of the horns. Oh, these horns are very good. Okay, so the Southwest Digital chip to start with. Not bad, is it? So let's bring up the other one. Just bear with me a second. Right, this is the TTS sound. Quite good, isn't it? Don't know what's happening with the this one. So I set CV 161 and that's its standard. That's what Hornby put it as. So all the running and the sound you've seen today has been on its factory setting of 4. And there it is sat on the programming track, because the other side of that buffer there's a big gap, so there's no power can get between that side of the rails and that side of the rails. So that's how I program my locos. The super slim 21 pin to 8 pin connector was got from Roads and Rails. Right, class 47 TTS sound. There's the function list. I'll go in a bit better. One thing I have noticed is guard's whistle is at number 23. Well, if you're like me, you've got to press a couple of buttons to get to 23. That's the only thing I can fault it for. Might be a bit higher up the list of functions. And this is the spot sounds bit, so you can adjust each individual sound, or you can put the whole lot down. So everything's set to 4 standard, so I generally keep it to that. One thing that some people do say with the chip is the slow speed is a bit jerky and everything else like that, but play with those and that generally sorts the problem out. If not, just look on the rest of the internet and you'll find loads of other solutions.